Bird banding is not just about getting to hold cool birds. It is an important tool used for scientific study and monitoring of wild birds. The data gathered will contribute to regional and continent-wide efforts to monitor changes in population levels, health, and movement of these species. It also provides practical education and training opportunities for VIU students like me. Birds are captured using mist nets, and uniquely numbered bands are placed on the leg of each bird to allow tracking of individuals throughout their lifetime. Important biological measurements are also obtained before each individual is released unharmed. The Nestbox program gathers data on tree and violet green swallows. This data allows us to track parents and their nesting patterns. It shows how seasonal conditions affect the development and survival of nestlings. Banding early on gives an in-depth look at the bird's movement throughout its life and if site fidelity occurs. The migratory routes and destination of the northern saw-whet owl is poorly understood. The MODIS wildlife tracking system, which consists of a large growing network of VHF receiving stations throughout Canada and around the world, provides an excellent opportunity to study the migration and habitat use of these owls in coastal areas of BC. To help support projects like these, please donate.